welcome to TMTS 2026. We are from DYNAMICS and let me show you what we have to offer.
It's our Microdynamics Terra 40B, which has 1020mm of X travel, 710mm in Y-axis. Microdynamics Mega 40B, and this one is equipped with FANUC.